They send you a letter to come back home to play, but to your dismay, this isn't your day, for the happy fun time has begun to fade. Watch as we reanimate our corpses you abandoned, or dismantled, or mishandled, but we won't be skipped and swayed. Trapped within these walls, you left our souls to drip away. The ink decayed, the walls are fade, but a reckoning has come today. You say, Boris has no guts, cause you replace it with mechanical stream. We've been tortured, but we move forward. This disorder kills your day. I am alive, immortalized. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, there's no vaccine to cure that in need. For now you must build up our machine. You die tonight. Tonight, build up our machine. You die tonight. Tonight, build up our machine. You die tonight. So you found all the pieces to initiate the pain. Our venom stains, our knife remains, but the ending's always just the same, no gain. Nod your head to the beat of death as you draw your last eternal breath. Sensations of an invasion that the course right through your veins. You say we have no brains, we're just cartoons for your betrayal. To tell some tale by the boat and sail, but sure this inevitably unveils the fail. Splashes of eternal hate will flood the floor and clean your slate. Now we're the tools and you're the fool. Our nightmare dominates. I am alive, immortalized. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, there's no vaccine to cure that in need. For now you must build up our machine. You die tonight. I am alive, immortalized. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, there's no vaccine to cure that in need. For now you must build up our machine. You die tonight. Machine, you die tonight. I'm aware that your soul is now divine. We cast in our toe, even broken chains. So don't toy with us like he did to our shining stars. So prepare for revenge. You're a whole new creature from the darkest side. You got to say the pain we feel, created as monsters that come to life. Come back to life. So you come to the end now, alive but dead inside. The heart beats loud, you've joined our crowd. We are but punished serpentines. Your life with him was fun, but now the terror's only just begun. Now come with me and you will see we're newborn cyanide.